Dolores Cannon often talked about timelines splitting, soul agreements activating. She explained that portals are not all about light beams in the sky. They're about decision points in consciousness. She said when a soul is ready to move forward, the universe creates an opening. These openings appear as repeating numbers, sudden clarity or inner knowing that the old path no longer fits and that the door is always there, but only the aware will walk through it. The 111 portal is one of those doors. So take a breath, stay present, and let's talk about what this portal is activating and why is it showing up in your life right now. If you've been feeling drained, a little off, overstimulated, but strangely motivated, it's because of the 111 portal. It's here. And listen, this one is different. This portal just doesn't shift energy, it shifts timelines. Your next chapter finally could be activating right about now. Now, most portals boost intuition or awareness, but the 111 portal is a numerology portal. It's all about alignment, not chaos. 1 represents new beginnings, and the 11 represents spiritual direction. Put that together, you have a doorway into an amazing spiritual journey. You see, guys, since the earth is shifting and it's ascending to a high vibration, Dolores Cannon said, as consciousness rises, we naturally detach. You see, during 111, we might feel like we don't belong in this old life anymore. And that's because you're stepping out of an old version of yourself that has expired. And according to numerology, 2025 breaks down to the number 9. And the number 9 means completion. So that version of yourself have expired. And now this year, 2026, when you add up the numbers and break it down to a single number, is 1, which means new beginnings. So your spirit is trying to move forward and everything outdated starts dissolving. So if you have a M mark or a half moon mark on your hand, it's going to hit you harder. You're what Dolores would call a forerunner. You pick up energetic changes before anybody else. So instead of confusion, you might feel this. Pressure in your forehead, right between your eyes where the third eye is. Ringing in both ears. Sudden clarity about why you're here and what's going to happen next. You're going to start getting downloads from your higher self. You're going to start having emotional purging going on. And you're going to have random bursts of motivation. What's happening is your timeline is preparing for acceleration. Let me tell you what to do during the 111 portal. Here's how to align with the portal instead of fighting it. Number 1, on the day of the portal, 111, January the 11th, I need you to do this. Stay still for a moment. No music, no scrolling on your phone. Just breathe and let your intuition speak. Number 2, pay attention to what feels heavy. If you feel something heavy in your body, that's your body saying this doesn't belong in your next timeline. And number 3, choose one new action, something small, something symbolic, something that proves that you're ready to shift. Now, let me tell you what I'm personally going to do to get myself ready for the shift. I take Vive High supplements, and I especially take sea moss. Sea moss will help to keep my body stabilized keep me grounded, and keep me on a high vibration. And most importantly, give me some mental clarity during this time. And if you want to check out these supplements, it's down under this video in my description area. Click on the link that says vibehighsupplements.com. And if you have the M mark or the half moon mark, and you want a more deeper breakdown on these marks, I have an ebook that's called The Mark Ones. That's also down in the description below. It's a little store. You're going to see that. Now, what if you already have the ebook? Well, I got something special that's about to happen. I'm opening a school community. When you join this community, you will get updates every week on what's happening this year in 2026. And also, I have other special resources that you can use as a marked soul. To be one of the founding members, I have a waiting list available right down in my description. You're going to see where it says Marked Souls in a Circle. So guys, if you've been feeling uncomfortable, restless, emotional, or highly aware, don't panic, don't numb it, don't run away from it. All it means is that the 111 portal is rearranging your path in life. Your timeline is about to jump. Your energy is recalibrating, and your next level is forming. If this resonates with you, comment, I feel it, in the comment section below this video. One last thing before I go. I go live every week on Twitch. Follow me at twitch.tv/wokereg. Come on in. Let's dialogue, let's talk, let's connect, and let's build. Watch this video next to learn more about Dolores Cannon teachings and these marks on your hand. Peace, get woke, and keep rising.